Buddy?
I'm doing great, brother.
You are literally chilling with a seal. This seal is sleeping on you, bro. Fight me, bitch.
Wally, is she farting?
Dun dun. Oh my god.
Delícia, tá? Jest. Koniec?
Dude, what? Easy. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit. Like I say, don't go. You don't want to get in there with that thing, Joseph.
We found this cat in the dog food.
I think my cat's outside. I think I hear her eating. Oh.
Votre toast, je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, carave.
Can you pick a card? Yeah! What'd you choose? Oh!
Hey, baby.
Here, you can have this chip. Oh. Well, I guess peppermint.
3, 2, 1, fight!
Right! No! Don't! Right! No! 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 Stop! No! No! Right! No! 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 What? Right! No!
I'm legit being attacked by pigeons. Yo, what is going on? What is going on? What is this?
Good morning. Look at this box of calves. Good morning, everybody.
Good job, guys.
Ouch.
Wait. Hey, bro, you gotta go. You gotta go. Don't go down there. Ah, he died.
Wait for it, yeah.
That's right. That's how you do that.
Off the step.
You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still stupid!
Oh shit!
If you poke him enough, he'll move. Is he alive even?
Yeah.
Oh, he's pissed. He looked at
Can I have that back? Please. Can I have it back? Oh, thank you.
Why the f is Billy Earl on the neighbor's house? He on the roof.
We were cleaning the boat and found this guy getting a drink. Every drop counts.
Gummy. Hey. No. Go. Oh my god. Pippa, no. Pippa, no. Pippa. You're an idiot. No, no. Oh my gosh. Pippa, no. Holy.
Young lady.
I have a hard-boiled egg, and I think Jeff is scared of it. Jeff, it's okay. Just egg.
Which is more hilarious? If they knew this would happen, or if they did not.
Dude dropped his phone in the monkey enclosure.
It's my brother's phone, so we'll see if we'll get it back.
Yum yum.
He's like, ooh, this is nice.
Hold on. The water's not working anymore. Please. Help. Help me.
You know who this is? Like, is
It's
this?
a commercial.
It's a commercial.
Commercial.
Ma! Ma, come outside. There's a moose or a buffalo or some shit. They're fighting. Where the are you going?
Can I help you? Yummy?
I told my son to take the donkey a bath.
Where is it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, no, 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 no.
In the fridge again.